Hi guys and welcome. Today I want to tell you about one of the best e-commerce platforms that helps me to make about $10,000 a month. I currently manage several sites and I have had success with both e-commerce stores and content-based affiliate sites. Not too long ago, I also ventured into selling my own digital products online, and that's where I first started using the platform. Let's not waste any time and let's get started right now.
Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms available today, empowering entrepreneurs worldwide to easily set up and manage their online stores. Founded in 2006, Shopify has earned a reputation for its user-friendly interface, a wide range of features, and robust functionality, making it a go-to choice for those looking to enter the e-commerce market. Shopify is designed with simplicity in mind. Its intuitive dashboard allows even those with no coding experience to build a professional online store quickly. Users can choose from a plethora of themes and customize them to fit their brand identity, ensuring that their online presence stands out. Security is paramount in e-commerce, and Shopify excels in this area. The platform provides high-level security measures, including data encryption and compliance with PCI DSS standards, ensuring that your customers' information is safe during transactions. In today's digital landscape, mobile shopping is more prevalent than ever. Shopify ensures that all online stores are mobile responsive, providing a seamless shopping experience for customers on smartphones and tablets, which ultimately boosts conversion rates. Shopify supports various payment gateways, allowing customers to check out using their preferred methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and other popular payment systems. Shopify includes built-in SEO features that help optimize your online store for search engines. Users can easily customize title tags, meta descriptions, and URLs to improve their visibility in search results, driving organic traffic to their sites. Shopify is ideal for both small startups and established businesses looking to expand their online presence. It caters to a diverse range of users. BigCommerce is a powerful e-commerce solution that offers a comprehensive platform for businesses of all sizes to sell products online. Known for its scalability and advanced features, BigCommerce is designed to meet the needs of both small businesses and large enterprises, making it a flexible choice for growing companies. The platform is built to support growing businesses, allowing you to upgrade your plan as your needs evolve. Whether you're just starting or experiencing rapid growth, BigCommerce has the tools to support your journey. BigCommerce provides powerful SEO tools that help improve your store's visibility in search engines. With customizable URLs, meta tags, and integrated blogging features, businesses can easily optimize their content to attract more visitors and drive sales. Unlike many other platforms, BigCommerce comes with a wide range of built-in features that minimize the need for third-party apps. Users can manage inventory, process orders, and analyze customer data all from a single dashboard, simplifying the management of your online store. The platform supports various payment gateways, including major credit cards, PayPal, and more, making it easier for customers to make purchases. This flexibility contributes to a smoother checkout process and reduces cart abandonment rates. BigCommerce provides round-the-clock customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and phone. This ensures that help is always available when you need it, allowing you to focus on growing your business. BigCommerce is particularly well-suited for medium to large businesses that require a scalable e-commerce solution. Squarespace is a versatile website building platform that also offers robust e-commerce capabilities, perfect for creatives, small businesses, and anyone looking to establish a strong online presence. Known for its stunning design templates and ease of use, Squarespace empowers users to create beautiful, functional online stores with minimal effort. Squarespace comes with built-in e-commerce features that enable users to manage inventory, process orders, and track customer information seamlessly. This integration makes it easy to run an online store without needing additional software. All Squarespace templates are designed to be mobile responsive, ensuring that your online store looks great on any device. This feature is crucial for capturing the growing number of mobile shoppers and enhancing the user experience. Squarespace's user-friendly interface makes it simple to set up and manage your online store. Users can easily add products, customize their site, and monitor sales performance without needing technical expertise. Squarespace provides powerful analytics tools that help you understand your store's performance. From tracking sales to analyzing customer behavior, these insights allow you to make informed decisions to improve your business. Squarespace includes essential SEO tools that help enhance your site's visibility in search engines. Users can customize page titles, descriptions, and URLs to improve their chances of ranking higher in search results. Squarespace is an excellent choice for creatives, artists, and small businesses that prioritize aesthetics and design. It's particularly beneficial for those looking to create a visually stunning online store without delving deep into technical details. Shift4Shop, formerly known as 3D Cart, is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that provides a wide range of features for online businesses. Known for its affordability and robust capabilities, Shift4Shop enables entrepreneurs to launch and manage their online stores with ease. Shift4Shop offers a suite of features necessary for running an online store, including inventory management, order processing, and customer relationship management. This all-in-one solution simplifies operations and streamlines workflows. The platform includes various built-in SEO tools, allowing users to optimize their online stores for search engines effectively. Customizable URLs, meta tags, and detailed reporting help improve visibility and attract more organic traffic. Users can select a design that matches their brand and customize it to create a unique shopping experience for customers. Shift4Shop provides robust customer support available around the clock, ensuring that users can get assistance whenever they encounter challenges. This support is essential for businesses operating in a fast-paced e-commerce environment. Shift4Shop allows users to sell on multiple platforms, including Amazon and eBay, enabling businesses to reach a broader audience. This feature enhances sales potential and helps diversify revenue streams. Shift4Shop is ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and entrepreneurs looking for an affordable, feature-rich platform to establish their online presence. It is particularly beneficial for those who value comprehensive e-commerce solutions without the associated costs. Choosing the right e-commerce platform is essential for your online business success. Whether you prefer Shopify's user-friendly interface, BigCommerce's scalability, Squarespace's stunning designs, or Shift4Shop's affordability, each offers unique features to meet your needs. By understanding these options, you can make an informed choice that aligns with your goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Join our community to stay updated on the latest tips and insights for elevating your online business. Let's turn your e-commerce dreams into reality together.